To me, the national labs fill an awfully important role in America. They provide a capability to undertake long-term, high-risk, high-payoff, often large projects that, at least in 2 of those categories, universities are not likely to do, and in 3 of those categories, industry is not likely to do. And I've been so pleased to learn a little bit more about CAES and what it's doing, because it's addressing a couple of the issues that are very at the top of my list of things that I'm interested in and concerned about. The national labs truly do offer, in my view, a unique role in CAES within this overall environment. As you know, though, the expectations for our government scientific facilities have changed a lot, particularly since the end of the Cold War, and even more so with the advent of globalization. And with that, with the latter, has come increased competition around the world, particular competition for jobs. And with the decline of traditional communism, 3 billion new would-be capitalists entered the job market, the global job market. And we now, in America, no longer just compete with our neighbors down the street, we have to compete with our neighbors around the globe. And many of these individuals are increasingly well educated, highly motivated, and willing to work for a fraction of what Americans are willing to work for or accustomed to. Which says that if we're going to compete for jobs in this country, it's going to have to be based on innovation and creation of new knowledge, the production of extremely well-educated people, and particularly an environment that promotes innovation, such as you have here. I'm particularly struck by the conversations I've had since I arrived here. Frankly, I hadn't realized the extent to which you've moved in tying your efforts together with those of industry and your efforts with academia. One of the main points I had planned to talk about, and I still will, is the importance of these ties. And frankly, you're far ahead of most of the places I go to talk about this. So to a little extent, I feel like I'm bringing coals to Newcastle, but I'm pleased to be able to do that. It's commendable on your behalf.